Well, I was going to show you guys how to install them, but as you see, it's raining, and well, it's Florida. Give it about 5 minutes, it'll stop raining, and then I can show you how to install them. But until then, let's go ahead and skip to the previously recorded footage of them installed. You guys can check them out. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys ready to see these crazy bright LEDs? All right, let's go ahead and do this. I know it's dark right now, you guys can't see me, but oh well. Hey, welcome to the dirty cockpit. Ugh. Let's go ahead and turn this on accessory mode. Turn the AC off, turn the radio off. I know. My door's open. I know. So, these are my DRLs, or daytime running lights, and that was my seat that squeaked, not my butt. I know the inside I have yellow bulbs. I do plan on changing that. So let me show you my daytime running lights that I upgraded to. Super bright white. Even in the daytime, they're super bright. So, super bright. I do want to upgrade to the Helix Mk6 GLi style headlights in due time, because those things are expensive. So, daytime running lights, low beams. These are Oxbeam S2 LEDs. They are 6500 Kelvin temperature, 40 watt bulbs, 4000 lumens I believe each bulb. Yes, I put LEDs in a halogen housing. I know I'll probably get a lot of flack for that, but oh well. It is what it is. As you guys can see, pretty straight beam. I apologize if I sound nasally, like I said earlier. I think I said earlier, I've got a cold. Had one for about a week now. And ready for my fog lights. Brand new, I just put them in. Bam! Full Euro status. So these are 3000 Kelvin temperature. Look at that. Oof, those things are bright. Again, these are 40 watt, 4000 lumen. Now the gate right here is kind of cutting off the output, I guess, but look at that. Again, a pretty straight cutoff for the fog lights. Unfortunately, Volkswagen designed the fog light design that the beam, see if I can show you, the beam has a dead spot right here, and it also casts at an angle. The correct facelift versions of the Jetta and the GLi now have horizontal fog lights. So as you can see, well, kind of blind you. As you can see, these are vertical, and the 6.5, I guess you can call it. They're really just called facelift. The facelift front end Jetta GLIs, they lay sideways, so they have more of an output than what you see here. I mean, this is still bright. Don't get me wrong, but the output just, you know, kind of sucks. But that is why Volkswagen changed the design. The 12, 13, and 14s have the same front end as mine, but the 15s have a more unique bumper. I guess Volkswagen tried to correct the emblem design. I do believe the 16s to 17s don't have this little cutout in the bumper, which I cannot stand on this car because it holds water when you wash the car and can never ever dry the water. I don't know why it looks green. It is extremely orange or yellow gold, whatever you want to call it in person. I was trying to correct the color, but super, super bright. I love it. I will link it down below. If you guys have any questions regarding this video, let me know down in the comments below. I did try to get a better video. As you guys can see, my last nighttime video of the LEDs was absolute garbage. It was using a GoPro 5, and well, I've kind of upgraded since then. Let me know what you guys think about this setup, the 6500 low beam and the 3000 fog light. That's going to do it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being loyal to the channel. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up button. Oh God. Still trying to get over this cold, man. It's killing me. What did I say? Subscribe, comment, like. See you on the next one.
It's caught in the crossfire.